हेलो एवरीवन। आज से हम एक वर्कशीट की सीरीज शुरू करने वाली हैं एंड वी विल शेयर वर्कशीट्स रिलेटेड टू इंग्लिश, मैथ्स, ईवीएस एंड other subjects which will be helpful for 6 to 8 years old child. We will be starting with the English. We will start with very basic and it will also help the child in revision. So the first question we have is, write the number of the letters in English alphabet, that is 26. Number of vowels, 5, that is A, E, I, O and U. Number of consonants, 21, the full name of the child. The next question we have is, complete the words using these diagraphs, F, Ch, Sh, Th and W. And the child has to identify which diagraph will come. He has to fill that word in the blank. Brush, bench, whale, throne, photo, phone, witch, path, thief, where, dolphin, chimney, catch. The next question we have is, fill in the blanks with appropriate vowels. There are 5 vowels in English alphabet: A, E, I, O, U. Child has to read the word, look carefully and then identify which vowel will come here. So, coat. O will come here and it will make coat. Next, kite, rope, play, fish. Okay, there are few words in which more than one vowel can come. For example, here you can fill I to make it hit or A to make it hat. So both are correct. The child can fill any one. Den or dawn, ink, tube, box, again for this word mule or mile. Write the missing letters. The previous question we had to fill vowels only, but in this question we can fill vowel or consonant as per the spelling given. So the first is fox, toy, clip. Again, bid. The child can fill bid के लिए B or H for head, but both are correct. You can fill any one which fits it. Okay. The next is rail, bin, mail. Okay, for the next question we have, write the rhyming words or similar sound words. Ark. For ark के लिए given है shark and for shark park or bark. Then chalk, awk, chalk, talk, walk. Phone, own, so phone, tone, alone. Whale, whale, tail, male. There can be sail and many other words. Thin, win, tin or pin. Ink, sink, drink, blink, pink. Hat, fat, cat, mat, rat. Then 10, men, hen. Next question we have is, write about yourself. So the first is, my name is. In this one the child has to write his or her full name. Next, I am a. So in this the child has to fill boy or a girl. Next, I live in. So here the child has to write his city. Next, I am dash years old. Child has to write his age. Next, I study in dash school. So here the name of school will come in which the child studies. Okay, next question we have, complete the table with the words from the box. So here, as you can see, a box is given in which few words are written, and the child has to select words from this box and write in the blanks given in the question. So as you can see here, the child has to fill he or she words. You can say gender words or masculine or feminine words. For younger children, we use he or she words because they understand it better way. So for the he word, first he word, boy is given. She word for the boy is girl. Okay. Next, in next line, she word is given, जैसे कि grandmother, and for grandmother, grandfather is the he word. For father, mother. Sister, brother. King, queen. Bull, cow. Tiger, tigress. Lion, lioness. Horse, mare. Cock, hen. Peacock, peahen. So here is the last question that we have for today. You take these things to school, find the words in the grid and circle them. So what the child has to do is, child has to read each sentence and find that word in this grid and circle it. So the first one is, I write with this. So it can be pen or pencil. Whichever child uses, he will circle that. Next, I measure with this. So it will be ruler. I take food in this. Tiffin. I erase with this eraser. I take water in this bottle. I color with this crayon. I take my books in this bag. Okay. Now you can ask the child to write these words below. That way he will be able to practice the spellings also. So that was the last question for this video. So that was it for today. I'll see you in my next video for more worksheets, and hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Please do share your comments in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye bye.